Good morning, student. Today I am going to start my 8th video classes for class 10 subject chemistry. In the last video classes I was taught about the preparation and uses of bleaching powder and plaster of Paris. Now today I am going to talk about the baking soda. The common name of baking soda is baking soda. Common name. Baking soda. Baking soda. Baking soda. The chemical name is, the common name of baking soda is baking soda, and it is also called eating soda. बेकिंग सोडा को हम लोग ईटिंग सोडा के नाम से भी जानते हैं. द केमिकल नेम ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा इज सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. द केमिकल फार्मूला ऑफ सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट इज NaHCO3. केमिकल नेम सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. केमिकल फार्मूला NaHCO3. Now preparation. How baking soda is prepared. खाने वाले सोडा को हम लोग कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं? तो it is prepared by the raw material of sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and ammonia. How it is prepared? How our baking soda is prepared? Baking soda is prepared by the raw material of sodium chloride, carbon dioxide gas and ammonia. It is prepared by from the raw material of sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and ammonia. NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. This is baking soda. NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3. After finishing the chemical reaction, NH4Cl and NaHCO3. As we know that our ammonium chloride is volatile, so it will change into gaseous state and our sodium hydrogen carbonate is obtained. Now its uses. First, it is used for making tasty crispy pakoda. Second, it is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Third, it is used as antacid. It is used as ingredient in antacid. Antacid is used for the treatment of acidity as well as hyperacidity. Because antacid is basic in nature, when we take antacid, is go in our intestine and neutralize the excess acid in our stomach, which provides gastric irritation, abdominal pain. These the difficulty are removed and then we feel comfortable. These are the three main uses of baking soda. It is used for making tasty, crispy pakoda. Use of baking soda is it is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher, fire extinguisher. Third, it is used as ingredient in antacid. The second use of our baking soda is it is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. The third use is it is used as ingredient in antacid. Antacid is basic in nature. It is used for indigestion or gastric pain, irritation. It is prescribed by the doctor when the person is suffered from hyperacidity, indigestion. As we know that our antacid, in which sodium hydrogen carbonate is present, which is basic in nature, when it reach inside the stomach, it neutralize the excess acid inside our stomach, and finally we get rid from the abdominal pain, gastric irritation, and we feel comfortable. Now the last compound for the today topic is our washing soda. Washing soda. The common name of washing soda is washing soda and also धोबिया सोडा. वॉशिंग सोडा को हम लोग धोबिया सोडा के नाम से भी जानते हैं. द कॉमन नेम ऑफ वॉशिंग सोडा इज वॉशिंग सोडा. द केमिकल नेम इज ऑफ वॉशिंग सोडा इज सोडियम कार्बोनेट डेकाहाइड्रेट, and the chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 Na2CO3 10H2. Once again I am saying the common name of washing soda is washing soda or धोबिया soda. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate, and chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Common name. Washing soda. Chemical name. Sodium carbonate decahydrate, and chemical formula Na2CO3 CO3 10H2O. Deca word is used in sodium carbonate for 10. Deca represents 10. The chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Preparation. How washing soda is prepared? Washing soda is prepared by heating baking soda. When baking soda is heated to form sodium carbonate, after the recrystallization of sodium carbonate, we get washing soda. When baking soda is heated, sodium carbonate is formed. Now the recrystallization of sodium carbonate, washing soda is obtained. When baking soda is heated, then sodium carbonate is formed. Now the recrystallization of sodium carbonate now the recrystallization of sodium carbonate, we get washing soda. NaHCO3 hit Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Now the recrystallization of sodium carbonate, we get sodium carbonate decahydrate. यही हुआ washing soda. When sodium carbonate is heated, we get sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide gas. Now the recrystallization of sodium carbonate, we get the washing soda. It means sodium carbonate decahydrate. Now what are their uses? First, it is used in the manufacture of soap. It is used in the manufacture of soap. It is also used in the manufacture of paper and glass. It is also used in the manufacture of paper and glass.
It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Third use. Fourth is, it is also used as cleaning agent for domestic purpose. And the last use is that it is used for making many inorganic compounds like borax, Na2B4O7, 10H2O. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water it is used as it is also used as cleaning agent for domestic purpose. For domestic purpose. For domestic purpose. And the last use, the fifth use of the washing soda is it is used for making many inorganic compounds like borax, Na2B4O7, 10H2O. Now today my video classes is going to finished. Thank you. Dhanyavad.